Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will learn how to implement wallet connection with a persistent setup. So if you watched my previous video, I have implemented the functionality where we can connect our wallet to the application, but it was having some problem like if we connect the wallet and if we reload this, then the connection vanishes. So we have to implement the connection in such a way that this connection is persistent and we can use that connection throughout the application without any reload issue. So to implement that, let's go to the Visual Studio Code. So this is the previous code where two files, one is home.js and one is app.js. So into app.js, I have wrapped the home component with Web3 React provider, which is a library. I have used that. So if we go to the home component, we can see I've used this use Web3 React library, and I've taken some functionalities like activate function, account function, chain ID and all. So we have to create another hook. Like I have created here hook, and I've created a custom hook called use Metamask. In that I have implemented few functions, one for the connect Metamask and one for to disconnect the wallet. And here here I am using a check. So if the connection is already in the browser, then I will again activate this, and if it is not, then user will see a button of connecting the wallet. So let's use this hook into the home component. I'm just replacing this use Web3 React hook by my custom hook use Metamask, and in place of activate, I will add connect Metamask button, and this and this. So if we go here, we can see the connected button is here. Even if I reload, my connection is persist. So let me change the network like Polygon testnet, and if I reload this, connection is there. I can check the balance. I can switch the network to the Polygon, and wallet is connected, and no problem if I reload the browser. So now user can browse the application without connecting the wallet again and again, because the whole session is persist, and seamless browsing experience can be seen by the user. So this is all where you can actually implement a persistent session of the wallet. In the next video, I will implement how to connect wallet if a user has more than one wallet. Suppose a user has Metamask and user has Trust Wallet and Brave Wallet. So how to handle those three wallets in just one connection, I will explain in the next video. So see you then, and yeah, thank you for watching the video.